So those are the larvae, right?
That's the cap cells where they raise the larvae, yeah.
And how come the edges are white and the inside's brown?
My understanding is it's from the dirty feet of the bees.
Wow. Can you show me some of the ones with honey?
So this one's got a patch of honey right there.
Alright, that's cool.
It's capped.
Try some
Yep.
of it. Yeah, can you hold it? Oh yeah, that's good. Good honey. And the good side is there's more of them in here.
More dead bees.
Oh, wow.
That's just too bad right there.
Wow. How many?
They may have just frozen. I don't know.
Wow, there's a lot on that.
It's kind of
side,
weird
too.
that it would be frozen though. Oh, there's the queen.
Where?
Ah, right there. See that one that looks a little different on the back? Right off the tip of my finger. Hey babe.